Hi, and thanks for stopping by. My name's Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com. And today I wanted to answer the question, what is a revenue officer? Well, if you've got some type of IRS problem, then chances are a revenue officer possibly will be assigned to work your case. A revenue officer is an employee of the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS. And it is the job of the revenue officer, once your case is assigned to them, to work that case and to come to some type of resolution, whatever that resolution is. Now, the revenue officer typically isn't really concerned with the amount of tax that's assessed, whether it's correct or it's incorrect. All they're interested in is if there's tax that has been assessed on the books of the IRS, they're interested in collecting that tax. They don't really care how it came to be, if you filed the tax return, if the IRS files the tax return. At the end of the day, if the tax is on the books of the IRS, the revenue officer thinks that it's a valid amount that is due them, and their whole job in life is to collect the amount of tax due to the IRS. They are looking to come to some kind of resolution or solution. If it turns out that your particular account is what they call currently not collectible, which means you don't have the ability to pay right now, then they'll set you up in currently not collectible status. If you ask them to enter into an installment agreement, if you go through the process, if you fulfill the requirements, if you meet what the specifications are, then they'll grant you an installment agreement. If you want to get an offer in compromise, typically they're not going to work that, but they will accept the paperwork and they'll send it off to the appropriate authorities, but they'll know that you've applied for an offer in compromise. That's it for today, where I describe what is a revenue officer. And a revenue officer is an employee of the IRS that's involved in the collection of taxes. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll talk to you again real soon.